So this as a dry practice technique, not dry practice, I'm sorry, I keep saying dry practice, as a practice technique for causing malfunctions using a bottleneck case. So this is good with bottleneck pistol rounds like 357 SIG and 5.7. This is also good for any bottleneck rifle round. We don't use this for straight walled pistol cases because they'll go backwards into the chamber, so that's not good. But bottleneck rifle rounds, bottleneck cases, you can set up a malfunction called a double funk. Double funk. Now, I didn't make this up. I learned this last September from a school called Progressive Force Concepts. They're in Las Vegas. Credit goes to Brian Hartman, BH, over at, he's the lead instructor there at Progressive Force Concepts. But I want to share it with you guys so you can practice. You take a piece of brass, clean brass, your caliber. Take your magazine, it's unknown number of rounds, strip 2 rounds off. Notice I use the base of the shell to strip them off. And it could be 2, it could be 1, it could be 10. Now you're going to take the piece of brass, you're going to flip it around backwards, and you're going to insert it into the magazine. And then you're going to take your good rounds, pop it on top. Okay. So right there, we call this a double funk. From the user's eye, you can't tell which one is which. You can't tell if the magazine will cause you malfunctions. So assuming you have 1 round in the chamber, you put this back into your rifle. How many times will the rifle function?
3.
It'll give you 3 times. Bang, 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 and then you're like, what? So this will give you a double feed type malfunction that then you can clear. So when you want to practice double feed malfunctions, and this is on the range, you can do this at the square range. Even when there's restrictions on moving, restrictions on holsters, restrictions on rapid fire, you can still practice something like this at the square range.